My beautiful 5-year-old niece was diagnosed with DIPG on Friday.
My 4-year-old is in treatment. Is there any help you can offer him?
Searching for a needle in a
No
haystack.
one we've spoken to so far is giving us any hope. Can you?
I was very impressed with your research.
Please do not stop until a cure is finally found.
For my whole career and the way I have developed our preclinical and clinical team is focused purely on one disease. It's been a career-long investment of time, of thought, of cooperation, collaboration with other investigators. Because in my heart of hearts, I know that we can do better, and I think it's a function of dedication of time and effort, and that comes with the support through funding to make this happen.
Each year, approximately 300 children in the U.S. are diagnosed with diffuse intrinsic pontine glioma. Currently, there is no cure. The average survival rate for children with DIPG is only 9 months, and the 5-year survival rate for children diagnosed with DIPG is less than 1%.
My name is Brooke, and I'm 11 years old.
I'm Maddie Blake, Brooke's mom. Brooke was diagnosed with DIPG in December of 2015. We were told to expect maybe a year. Dr. Soudaine's trial was something that seemed to make sense to me. We just hoped that she was going to be able to be a candidate. We didn't have any other plan of action, anything that we thought might work as well. So we put all our hope into this trial.
My name is Laisha Ayala. I'm 14 years old and I was diagnosed with DIPG at the age of 7.
I was very scared. Well, we were both very scared about what's going on. And then the doctor that was taking care of Laisha, he kept doing research and he came across a Dr. Mark Soudaine's child. He was amazing. He explained step by step. He made me feel confident. He made me feel hope.
I mean, could you imagine? You have this 4-year-old child who you're just madly in love with, and he appears to be pretty normal. You're told that, hug him, you have 3 months left. It's unacceptable.
Drug delivery will be and has been the platform of our preclinical and clinical initiative here for DIPG. Getting drugs where we want them, avoiding drugs where we don't want them, has been the principal building block of our Children's Brain Tumor Project drug delivery program. We heavily need the support of individuals who can make this happen. Nearly all of the funding for DIPG research that I have overseen, whether it be clinical or basic science, comes from the generosity of individuals with loved ones who have passed from this horrible disease.
Childhood cancers are unlike adult cancers and they desperately need to be researched. However, only 4% of the federal budget for all cancer research is allocated to pediatrics. The term pediatric cancer includes an indefinite number of types and subtypes, each of which require a research budget. The limited federal funding that does trickle down to DIPG research becomes practically non-existent. Therefore, researchers must rely upon patient families and nonprofits for funding. And this makes donors the heroes of any meaningful research success.
As I look at the funding lines in an effort to propagate this year after year after year after year, the one foundation we know we can confidently go to is the Cristian Rivera Foundation.
Sometimes I feel like I just want to stop. And the few times that that's happened, because it's only been a few times, I've always been given a sign, whether it's a new family or news about developments with the research, or just simply looking at Laisha makes me realize I can't.
I'm like a regular kid now. I get to go outside with my friends, I get to go places, and I don't have to worry about doctor's appointments as much.
They all told me that my baby was gonna pass away in 9 months, and 7 years later, she's here.
We're going on to 4 years. That's incredible.
It'll be 11 years that my son's gone. I can't bring him back, but I can certainly see to it that another father doesn't lose his child or another family.
Without question, I believe in a cure. I wouldn't do this if I didn't believe in it. There's nobody that walks into this laboratory that's not reminded on a daily basis that when they walk in, this is for a greater purpose. It is not to get a paper in this journal or that journal. It's not to get this grant, it's not to get that grant. It's to cure these diseases. And they've got these smiles and the eyes of these children looking upon them. That's inspirational. It truly is.